131,800 Swiss francs for a Defender that weighs 2,709 kilograms and still does 0 to 100 in 7.1 seconds. That's not the weird part. The weird part is what this thing does off-road that no other luxury SUV even attempts, and it's not what you think. Here's the thing. Most luxury SUVs pretend they're off-roaders. Air suspension, some terrain modes, maybe locking differentials if you're lucky. This Defender actually means it. We're talking weight depth of 900 millimeters. That's almost a full meter of water. Your Range Rover taps out at 850. Your G-Wagon? 800. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't some stripped-down work truck. This is the X-Dynamic HSE trim, Ebony Windsor leather, Meridian surround sound, head-up display. You're sitting in first-class luxury that can drive through a river. The engine is a 3.0-liter inline-six diesel, making 300 metric horsepower and 650 newton-meters of torque. That torque figure is the key. It arrives at 4,000 RPM and just stays there, which means this thing pulls like a freight train from any speed. Most people look at the Defender and think it's about nostalgia, the boxy shape, the exposed rivets, the Alpine windows. That's not what this is. This is Land Rover proving they can build something more capable than a Wrangler Rubicon and more luxurious than a Mercedes G-Class in the same package. And somehow it works. The ride quality is shockingly good for something with this much suspension travel. Electronic air suspension adjusts on the fly. You can raise it for off-road, lower it for highway stability. Inside you get 22-inch wheels with gloss black style 5098 finish, metallic mica paint, matte protective film, the kind of details that cost 4,000 Swiss francs just for the paint upgrade. But nobody buying this cares about the options list. They care about what happens when the pavement ends, because that's where this Defender separates itself from every other luxury SUV. Terrain response too, with configurable programs. Off-road cruise control, wade sensing, ClearSight ground view. You can literally see the terrain directly under the front of the vehicle through the infotainment screen. And the diesel engine? It's the perfect powertrain for this. Maximum torque at low RPM. Massive range on a single tank. The kind of pulling power that makes towing feel effortless. 131,800 Swiss francs fully equipped with every option. For a vehicle that's genuinely capable of things no other luxury SUV can do. That's the part that makes sense when you actually use it. Next time we're looking at something even more unexpected. A hybrid that costs sports car money but somehow justifies every franc. You won't see this coming. Let me know in the comments if you'd actually take this Defender off-road or if it stays too nice to get dirty. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.